Hey there everyone, so it's Yat Kean here from Training Ground. Welcome back to another unboxing and also a quick impression of the latest Vivo V40. Yes, this device is coming to Malaysia and I have a sample loan review unit over here. So the color I have here is the purple color. It has 12 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of internal storage. So what is the latest addition for the latest Vivo V40? This time, the base model is also getting the co-engineer with Zeiss. So that is something really important because the previous model V30, the base model doesn't have that Zeiss logo branding. So here it is, everything perfect seal. I am going in for the cut. Let's cut it. All right. Okay. So we have the device. So this device is definitely 5G. Here it is. I like it. Now you have the Zeiss logo branding on the camera, meaning you are going to get some of the Zeiss features on this device. Ooh, that is nice. Check it out. Check it out. Man, that is nice. Really nice. I like the purple color over here. Looks so awesome. Okay, so I'm going to fire it up. Oh, nice. Check it out. Also, there's screen protector being attached onto it. On top, there's professional portrait. Nice. I like what it's actually doing. It's slim, feels premium as well on your hands. So I'm going to put the phone aside and we are going to check out what is in the box. Okay, so we are opening it up. Voila, the first thing, you get a case, a TPU case. That's good. So there are some paperwork. And then you do get Vivo's flash charge as well. Wow. So it goes up to 80-watt fast charging over here. That is amazing. Included cables along with the SIM tray ejector kit as well. Good, nice, like it. Okay, so I have actually done setting up with the Vivo V40 and I'm actually right now charging it, and I have an event later on. So we are going to check out some photos being shot throughout the day and night as well. Just a quick impression on the device camera as well, okay? Stay tuned. And here's my quick impression after using it quite a while. Yeah, so let's start with the cameras. Now, if you love to take photos with your smartphone, this guy here totally nails it. Those HDR technology that is imbued into this device here, whoa, blow my mind. However, I do notice that the photos, when you turn on HDR, it's going to take some time to process it. Yeah, so that's a little bit of trade-off. Well, I don't mind because the photo quality looks amazing and all the shots are being taken in the Zeiss natural color science. Yeah, they look really fantastic. So there are multiple things you can do with the Vivo V40. Not only just portrait photos, you can also do cinematic portrait videos as well. Yes, that is amazing, but it's actually limited to 1080p 24 frames per second, but it is available for the front and the rear main camera. In terms of the ergonomics, I love the curvature of this phone and the lightweight. Truly light and nice to grip as well. So for those who are always constantly holding their phone, this device is totally excellent for them. Check it out. It's nice. And also I love this nebula purple. A lot of girls love it as well. So if you want it, get a Vivo V40 today. Yeah. So I think practically that's all I want to touch, because I can't give it all. This is just a quick impression, because other parts is already kind of give a feel of a full review of the device. But the full review video for this device will be coming up on the 22nd of August 2024, whereby it is going to be officially launched for the Malaysian market at that time. So I highly suggest you to stay tuned. And if you're still new to the YouTube channel, please go and subscribe to it, and also hit the notification bell so you get alerts when the new videos are hit and live as well. And remember to follow us on the social media accounts as well, and head to the website, read all the news articles as well. It's going to help a lot and support the channel and the brand as well. I appreciate it, and I bow to you, those who have subscribed, follow the social media account, and also gradually head to the website and read all the news. Okay, your support is much appreciated. Once again, Yat Kean here from Trend Ground. I'm gonna see you guys on the next content, alright? So remember, keep watching, and I'll never stop creating content for you. Okay, guys? Peace.